Late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. We're doing Vechain, and the reason we're doing Vechain is we didn't do Vechain yesterday, and then people were complaining, and then people also on the Patreon were complaining that we didn't have Vechain on our daily altcoins video and stuff like that. So I thought, let's do Vechain right now. That said, let me chill my channel a little bit. This is altcoin channel, YouTube channel. We do a lot of altcoins, not just Vechain. If you go to the channel page, there is like 5-6 videos every single day on different altcoins. Not only that, we got a Patreon page where we do 40 altcoins every single day. 40 altcoins. We rank them up like good, not good, and stuff like that every single day. Also, we got a Telegram group right now, closing up to the 1,000 people. Very nice community, very nice people, very supportive. So do check that out if that's your thing. With that said, let's get into charts and see what's actually happening. Make my face smaller, charts bigger, as always, a good thing, right? So Vechain. So basically, we had these are some kind of lines, and without this line, you can see that this is some kind of channel going upwards, right? We hit this upper part of the channel, but I don't think we're gonna go all the way back down to the previous channel, because if you remove these lines over here, you can see that right now the Vechain is picking up the speed. So it was going in this channel for a long while, all the way since here, right? It was going in the channel. Even this is some kind of top and bottom, and now it's hitting top. And then people might actually be thinking that now we might actually hit the top, bottom again. But this bottom up here is creating actually some kind of a very nice rising wedge up here. This is a rising wedge, and I'm thinking we are probably not gonna go and see these levels again up here. So I think this part is over, and we are not gonna see that. I think we are in some kind of rising wedge, and we're gonna break that. So we're gonna still keep these lines a little bit more, but you can see here that once this movement, this slow movement up here was finished, we picked up space, and now we are picking going up faster. So Vechain is not actually doing good, it's actually doing better than before. It's doing better than before. That said, we have right now had 3 days of some kind of a retracement. It's not correction, it's not consolidation, it's retracement, because we just kind of popped a little bit too fast, up, and some kind of a little bit more back move might let me move this. There you go, boy. Okay, so we had some kind of retracement, and now we are looking actually to either hit this line over here or some kind of moving averages. So we're gonna pop up our moving averages. This is a 10 and 20 moving average up here, and you can see here that we have been having support down here at 20 moving average. So it might actually hit both 20 and the 10 moving average, depends. So we just have to follow and see how far down it wants to go, But if we are looking with at these support lines, the 20 moving average, hitting the 20 moving average is a big possibility. So right now it is in some kind of retracement period, but once it does that, I'm expecting both to go to double hit the line and to get out. Now, if this is very bullish, and Bitcoin, I hope you notice that Bitcoin is going up again, as we all knew, because this is only halfway through the bull run. This might actually not all go all the way down there, but it might actually start retesting this line. If it does go for the retest after bouncing on the 10 moving average, this white line over here, it might actually happen that it's gonna break out on the upside over here. So question is, once it breaks on the upside, how far are we gonna go? So I think I got something there for you guys. So, but before we say how high it's gonna go or what we think it might actually happen, because this is channel have a really nice way of moving upwards, we're just gonna check the daily rubber band index is now at 69, and weekly is up at all the way up below 90, so it's all good. We got a bullish cross up here on the daily, so indicators are looking good, no problem there whatsoever. We are in uptrend, looking to get some support on the we're looking to get some support on the where is it? No, we're not looking at volume. Looking to get some support on the 10 moving average and continue further up. Let's look at also on the 4 hourly and see how that looks. It looks that you can see on the 4 hourly, because it's smaller time frame, it kind of the 10 and 20 is not that important, but this 50 and this 100 moving average on the 4 hourly is important. So we want to find some support there, but it is corresponding to the 20 moving average on the the red average on the daily chart. So all in all, it looks nice. It is some kind of retracement, just like over here, retracement, right? But it finds some kind of support on 20 moving average, continues up. And same thing here right now. Same thing here right now. It is some kind of retracement. It's looking for some kind of support. Once the five support is gonna go higher up, and we want to break this top line here. It's due time. Look how many times we tried to 1, 2, 3. Here we could not get to the top, but here 5 times. Like super nice, super nice. So how high are we gonna go from here? I'm gonna show you something right now. We're gonna remove the moving averages. We're gonna keep these 3 lines, and now we're gonna expand the channel. We're gonna expand the channel. This tool just expands it. This isn't actually perfect. This isn't actually. Let's clean it up. Let's clean it up. And what we're gonna do now is wait. Okay, so. This isn't actually perfect top line for this. Maybe you should go something a little bit down. It doesn't matter. We're still gonna use the bottom support up here, down here. So, and not only that, we're gonna clean this up, and we're gonna use this tool over here and draw it like this. So this looks like some kind of a bottom line, right? And top line should be somewhere around here. You can see hitting here, and these bottoms down here. This is just a parallel tool to draw very nice lines, and you can see here really nice how it's hitting this top over here. But this is actually not that corresponding that nicely, so maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. Doesn't matter. This is good enough for us, and you know, technical analysis is not exact precise science. A lot of times you hit the targets above or below, but it's in the ballpark area. That said, as we can see right now, let's remove this line as well. This is some kind of channel, and if we break this upper line up here, the next top line is all the way up here. That's the actual target, because once you break these middle lines, you go double the distance to the next target. You go one distance up in the channel. There should be also one mid line up here that can act as a resistance before we actually get on the top, and I can draw that as well. It looks something like this. Wait. Yeah, something like this. You can see there is a middle line over here. So once we break this, we might actually go first up here, test it as a resistance, test as a support, retest resistance, and then get up to the top over here. That's also possibilities. Now these are the assumptions how this is gonna play out, and nobody actually knows how it's gonna play out. We just have to see how the price is developing all this time. But targets are right now, because it's gonna go a little bit down, a little bit here. Maybe here is gonna be 0.26, and then depends on when it hits the second line, it should be around 0.4. So 0.26, 0.24, these are the targets once it breaks this line, and this line is going to be broken once it finds some kind of support on these averages, and these averages is going to push the price further up, right? So then I put it further up, depends on where it finds the support. It's going to push it up. Once this line is broken, it's going to go to this target or this target right away. So there you go, guys. Those are targets. Those are how we expect the price to develop. Right now, it's very good place. Vechain is very good place. It's an uptrend, but it has some this retracement right now to the moving averages. It's normal retracements. It happens all the time. Like this has to happen. You know, that's how price move. Price doesn't go like up all the time. It does go up all the time when you get into these parabolic moves, right? You go higher, and once you get in these parabolic moves, it just goes higher until it blows off in you know. But we are not there yet. So we have to expect some kind of retracements on the move up to the parabolic move. That said, guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you liked altcoins, like, check out the channel, man. There are a lot more altcoins I do videos on, and check out the Patreon. 40 altcoins, man, every single day. That might be something for you. That said, subscribe to the channel, because why not? It's good for your health, it's good for my health, it's good for everybody's health. Also like the video because YouTube algorithm likes the likes. Not sure why, likes the likes. That said, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you around. Bye bye.